Hey, after the fivers. I thought I'd start recording after the 5, before the 5. Well, this is printing. This is a great opportunity for me to talk to you about what's going on. I hate this video. I absolutely hate this video. And I know it serves a good purpose. I know this video exists for a good reason because the first Robo had problems with, remember these? All these little pucks that Josh printed and then we labeled on the back. It had problems with those. And then, and then Robo went and updated a bunch of stuff and sent me a new one, a new R2, which I took the time to unbox and get working, but that lead screw was just bent. Made horrible prints. And I was like, Braden, this is unacceptable. And the story goes like this. Braden was like, well, I can send you a new Z screw. I can send you a new lead screw for the Z, and I can show you how to put it in, and then you'll have a working Robo. Oh. The printer paused. I'm going to have to get back to this. Sorry about that. But I'll continue the story, because we're going to leave off where... oh my goodness. I'm so excited I'm coughing. Dang it. It's... Okay. I'll tell you what, after the fivers, I'll be right back. As always, high five. Yes! Oh, you guys. I'm so happy. Okay. I'm so happy. So happy. It worked. It worked. Oh, it worked. Oh, I got to get footage of this. Let's see. I'm going to hold it in my hand here. And I got the sniffles. I'm really sorry. Stupid allergies. Okay. So I'm recording. Here we go. Look at this. I'm going to be like this. I'm going to be like, whoa. Ooh. 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 I know this is boring for you, but Sean loves this stuff. Right, Sean? Okay. Okay. Man, that took forever to get to that. That was, man, I was down in the dumps about this. I was really sad. Then I fixed it. Then the filament sensor wasn't working. I was really sad again. And then turns out there's 2 filament sensors on the back of the machine, and I put it through the other one, and I'm happy now. Never give up, never surrender. I guess that's the motto to live by. Well, I'm going to clean all this up. I'm going to put the Robo back over there. Here, I'll turn the camera a little bit. So I got back over there. I had a Rostock Max V3 over here. But I gave it away because the guy that works with some kids is going to use it to 3D print some some NOAA weather stations with it. He's a good dude. His name is Frank. But anyway, Robo's going to go back there. So I'll see you on the next one.